Hello guys, this is Nafiol. So today I'm going to talk about top 5 best email marketing software in 2022. Okay. So there are so many email marketing software right now in the market, and some of them are good, some of them are bad, and some of them are industry oriented, like some of them best for sales business, some of them best for e-commerce, some of them best for startup journey, so on. So that's we're gonna talk about in this video. Okay, so let's jump into the video. Number 5, Mailchimp. So maybe you know the Mailchimp, as Mailchimp is a very popular one for email marketing software tools, and there are so many other platforms as well, but Mailchimp is one of the most popular one. Okay, so if you look at the Mailchimp website, so you will see they have all the major features that email marketing software do have. So also you can create a landing page within your Mailchimp account, and you can do podcast as well. And if you go to the pricing, so you will see they have a free plan, and for the free plan you will get they have a free plan for up to 500 contact. Okay, so whenever you will have up to 500 contact, you can actually use it for free, and within free you will have the marketing CRM, creative assistant, website builder, Mailchimp domain, and formula landing page. So there are lots of things that you can actually try with the free plan, but you can send maximum 10,000 email per month, and whenever you are starting with email marketing, then that's the enough amount to send per month. So that's what you can actually get for the free plan. So do subscribe, and you can get the link, all the link in the description. Okay, so you can click through the link and sign up for your free account, and if you click with my link and sign up, then you will get some other benefits as well. Okay, then number 4, ActiveCampaign. So ActiveCampaign is one of the popular one for the email marketing tools, and as you can see, they have the CRM and sales automation, marketing automation, transactional email, and sales engagement. Okay, so they have supported B2B and B2C as well, and they have e-commerce options. Okay, so most of the email marketing platform are moving to e-commerce options. So what does that mean is, whenever you are running an e-commerce store and you are encouraging with your customer, like they're placing order, and all those data is going into your mailing system. And if you look at the pricing, so for the free you can have, I see they don't have any free plan. Okay, so if you pay yearly, then that will be $9 per month for light plan, and if you pay monthly, then it will be $15 per month for the light plan. And for the light plan you have all the options that you need, but again it's not free that you can do with Mailchimp. You can actually try that out, but with ActiveCampaign you don't need to worry about, as you are going to get a trial plan. Okay, so with the trial you can actually get started, and if you like all those features within ActiveCampaign, then you can sign up for a paid plan. Okay, so go check the link in the description below, and you can get a sign up link from there. Then number 3, Omniture. So Omniture is very great one for e-commerce businesses. So right now the most e-commerce trusted by 7,000 e-commerce brand. Okay, so they are actually focusing on e-commerce brands and they are doing e-commerce email marketing. So if you see their features, they have marketing automation, they have web push notification that ActiveCampaign don't have. What is web push notification is whenever someone is visiting your website and you are popping up a notification that people want to allow or not. If they allow, then you can send their notification. That's a web pop-up notification. Okay, then you have SMS option, reporting, segmentation. So segmentation, that you can work with your consumer order base whenever you are running an e-commerce store and getting orders and you have a customer base. So in that time you can actually segmentation create segment with your consumer data. Like someone have $5,000 orders, you can get them a VIP segmentation. Someone have $500 orders, you can you can tag him another segmentation. If we check the pricing, then they have a free plan that will have 500 email per month and up to 250 contracts. Okay, so with free plan you can store 250 contracts and 500 email you can send per month, and you can send up to 60 SMS for free and 500 web push notification. Okay, so that's a great one that you can actually try. So you will get the link below for sign up. Number two is GetResponse. Okay, GetResponse is a great one. So with the GetResponse you can do something like click funnel type things. You can create funnels within GetResponse. That's not actually as like a click funnel, but you can create different landing pages. You can build website within GetResponses. As you can see from here, the website building, marketing automation, conversion funnels. So you can create funnels. So if you see the pricing, then you will see they have a free plan for up to 500 contracts that you don't need to pay for it, and you will have unlimited newsletter, one landing page, website builder, and you can connect your domain as well. Okay, so whenever you have more than 500 contracts, then you can actually go to a paid plan. Okay, so there are several plans that you can choose from, and check the description box, you will get the link. Number 1, ClearView. ClearView is an e-commerce focused email marketing tools that basically mostly work with Shopify, but it doesn't mean it won't work with other platform or other marketing email marketing things, but it's mostly focused on Shopify. So whoever have Shopify store, you can actually use ClearView to integrate your Shopify store with ClearView, and that's work very natively. Okay, so that's very deeply integrated with Shopify. So if you check the pricing, they have both email and SMS marketing. So they have a free plan, and that is up to 250 contacts and 500 emails sent per month, and they have email supports as well. You will have pre-built automation and flow builder, best-in-class segmentation and personalization, one-click integration, ROI-based reporting, Facebook, Instagram advertising options, and so many things that you will get with ClearView. So to sign up, check the description below, you'll get a sign up link there. So that's all our 5 different email marketing tools that are doing great currently in 2022. So if you need one of them, you can do sign up, otherwise no problem. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next.